Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to transfer inventory in Shopify, step by step. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know how to move products between locations in your shop, keep your stock levels accurate, and avoid those dreaded out-of-stock surprises, whether you're shifting items between warehouses or prepping for a pop-up location. Let's dive right in. First, log into your Shopify admin and head over to the inventory section. It's important to start here because this is where you get a bird's eye view of everything you have in stock. Think of it as your central command center for inventory. Next, find and click on the specific product you want to transfer. This step is crucial. Make sure you're working with the right item and double-check the SKU and variant if you have lots of similar products. After you've selected the right product, look for the option labeled Create Transfer. Go ahead and click that. Now, we come to the origins and destinations. Imagine you're sending a physical package. You need to let Shopify know where the product is coming from, the origin, and where it's headed, the destination. So start by selecting the origin. This will usually be one of your existing locations, like a warehouse or a supply center. Then, set the destination location, or in most cases, your shop or another branch. Once your locations are set, it's time to specify which products you're moving. You can search for the products right in the transfer screen by using the search bar. It's handy if you're moving several items at once or have a long catalog. Double-check each product and their quantities. Mistakes here could throw off your entire inventory accounting, which, trust me, is something you'll want to avoid during audits or busy sales seasons. For each product, enter the quantity you want to send. For example, if you're transferring Demo Clothing 1, simply input the number of units moving from the origin to the destination. If you only have one unit in stock at the origin, you'd enter 1. It's a good idea to keep an eye on the at-origin quantity. Shopify will show you exactly what's available to transfer, preventing you from accidentally overcommitting. There's a spot for notes, reference names, and tags as well. Jotting down a quick note, maybe restock for spring launch, or using tags like urgent transfer can make your life a lot easier when you're looking for this transfer later. These details aren't mandatory, but they add another layer of organization. When you're ready, click Save. You'll notice the transfer status isn't quite finished yet. You have some choices here. You can mark the transfer as ready to ship, in progress, or transferred. If, for any reason you need to cancel, maybe you realized you selected the wrong product or location, simply click More Actions and choose Cancel or Delete Transfer. No harm done. Let's say everything looks good and you're really ready to move forward. Click Ready to Ship. This tells Shopify that your items are prepped and can start their journey. Now, you'll see an option to create shipment. Click that, add any shipment details if needed, and hit Save. That's it. Your inventory is now in motion. Your counts are automatically updated, and you can track the transfer right from Shopify. Transferring inventory like this helps you keep your business running smoothly. It's a behind-the-scenes task, but getting it right means happier customers and less stress for you. Thanks for watching. If this walkthrough helped, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment if you have questions or need more Shopify tips. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.